Hi, good evening. My name is Pankaj Sharma, and today's topic is 5S. So 5S. 5S क्या होता है? What is 5S? What comes to your mind when you see this 5S meaning? It is a structured tool for workplace organization, a well-defined program for workplace standardization. 5S includes five disciplines of creating visual workplace. It includes first as belongs to sort. Sort means the segregation of wanted and unwanted items. Set in order. What you have segregated, everything is on place. A place for everything and everything on his place. Third S is cleaning and with meaning. Cleaning with meaning is we have to do deep cleaning. Standardize. Creation of standard and systems. Sustain. Make following 4S as a habit. 5S framework. First is the sort in Japanese it is seri. Second is set in order, means sit on. Sign, siso, standardize, shiketsu, and sustain is setsuke. 5S basic framework. It's a Japanese version, English adaptation, kendo, and basic meaning. First S meaning sorting of wanted and unwanted things. Decision, basically we have to remove the unwanted things in from the workplace. Area owner is with supporting team is the main responsible person, and outcome is and benefit is space saving and time saving. How to implement first S? Basically we need to make a list of item available in your area, and we have to mark as needed or not needed. Remove not need non needed item to its correct place, and ultimate benefit is space saving. Second S is the 2S, means set in order, and we have to arrange all wanted and essential item on the dedicated place. Outcome is required time saving and confusion eliminated while searching the items. 2S example is before item in drawer is not arranged systematically. Basically, after pick, there is two pick. First after pick, it's properly arranged, and the second is the list of item displayed on each drawer. So this is the 2S example, and again this is the again 2S example. 3S. 3S meaning is the keep the things neat and tidy to ensure no dust and trash on the workplace. Decision is cleaning of workplace just like inspection, improve degree or level of cleanness. Responsibility is the area owner and the supportive team. Outcome is the space saving and the time saving. 3S step to implement. Take a list of items available in your area. Identify dust, dirt, and the filth on items. Do cleaning. Clean everything inside out. Benefit is that it's a signing cleaning would be achieved, and the deterioration of things due to dust and dirt will be prevented. This is 3S check sheet. Fourth S, meaning is the create standard for maintaining clean workplace. Decision 5S standardization. And outcome is the no gap in understanding 3S element. 4S example, it's a 5C 5S board ensure everyone's in is involved. Fifth S, it's a meaning is a make 5S as a culture, a habit by following standard made for all the 3S activity. Outcome culture building, self disciplined workplace achievement. Steps, these are basic steps. First is impart, educate and train to people, refer a standard, understand the standard, follow standards, take before after picture of area, make 5S part of daily work management. It's a 5S benefit, workplace become pleasant, improve productivity, improve quality and delivery, and hence have to achieve customer satisfaction. Safety and 5S runs together, reduce cost. Thank you. Any question, please comment so we can answer accordingly.